Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fill out a PDF form right on your mobile phone. Let's dive in. First, you'll need a PDF Reader app. I recommend Adobe Acrobat Reader or PDF Expert, which are free to download from your App Store or Play Store. Once installed, open the app. Now find the PDF from you need to file. You can open it directly from an email attachment or download it from a website. Tap to enter text in each field. The app might highlight from fields automatically, making it super easy to see where you need to type. Use the toolbar to add checks to boxes or sign if necessary. After filling out all necessary fields, don't forget to save your changes. Then you can share the completed form right from your phone via email or another method. And that's it. You've just filled out a PDF form on your mobile without any hassle. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips. See you next time.